Good morning. Now we see about Moodle software. It is a learning management system. One of the learning management system. It is used by teachers and students. First we see about what is Moodle. Moodle means it is a modular, object-oriented dynamic learning environment. Moodle is actually free and open source learning management system. It was developed by Martin Davis. Initial version is Moodle 1.0. It was officially released in 2002. Now latest version of Moodle is Moodle 3.9. It is used by teachers and students. Teachers can use Moodle to create classrooms, lessons and interact with teachers and students. Students also can use the Moodle to submit the assignment, attend the quiz, etc. In this class, now we see about the Moodle installation. There are two ways for Moodle installation. One is install the Moodle software in our system. The another one is using this website www.genomia.com. Using this website, we can use the Moodle environment online. First, we see how to install the Moodle in our system. To install the Moodle, first we download the exams server in our system. Download and install it. Using this link, we install the exam server in our system. After installing exam server, we got like this exam folder. In this we have more files, exam server files. This is first step. First install the exam server. Next step is download the Moodle from using this link. If we download Moodle 3.9, we get one zip file. Moodle Windows installer latest 38 like this. We get a one zip file. After extracting this zip file, we get 4 files here: readme, start Moodle, stop Moodle and server. First step is installing exam server. Next step, download the Moodle software. After downloading Moodle software, we get Moodle file here, that is zip file. After extracting this zip file, we get 4 files. The next step is copy this Moodle file from this server folder. Copy this Moodle file and paste it in exam server HT documents location. This is the next step. First, download and install the exam server. Next, download the Moodle software. Then extracting that file. Then copy the Moodle software, Moodle folder and paste it in exam HTDOCS. After that, this is pasting procedure. The next one is create the database for Moodle using this link. If you give it in browser, we get this place, create database. In this we type Moodle and click create button. After that, how to install the Moodle? We open the browser and type localhost/Moodle. If we type this, we get the installation procedure. In this procedure, we give the username and password for our Moodle environment. I attach this file. After the installation of Moodle, we go to browser. Before that, go to downloads and click start Moodle here. We get one command prompt. We wait for some time. Here Moodle server is started here. After that, we open the browser. Simply we type localhost. We get the Moodle environment. This is the Moodle environment. We give the computer applications, BCA, all of in the Moodle installation time. Now, this is the Moodle environment place. We log in. First we log in. I give the username and the password. All the details we gave at the time of installation of Moodle. After logging into Moodle environment, we get this page. This is the Moodle environment page. This we have the menu items, dashboard, site home, calendar, private files, site administration. If we after familiar with these files, we can use the Moodle. This is one way of creating Moodle environment, installing the Moodle software in our system. The second way is, if we want to log out, just click and log out. This is one way of creating Moodle environment. Another way is very easy one, but used in the online mode. Double click. Here I type one website address, genomia.com. After opening this website, we give here site name, for example our name, then valid email address here, then click this button, then create app, clicking the create site button here. Only two informations we give here. One is our name, another one is email address. Then create site. Click the create site. After clicking the create site button, we get one mail. From genomia.com. In this mail, we have the username and password. Our Moodle site, now our Moodle site is created using our name. For example, karo.genomia.com. If we click this, before that, we copy the password. Here we get the Moodle environment. To avoid this advertisement, we click this into symbol, login, I give admin, then password. Once again I check the password. Here we get the Moodle environment. Now admin user is entered here. This is the Moodle environment. Now I create only one course only using the site administration. With the site administration, click courses. Click first option, manage course and categories. In this I create new category. Top category name, third BCA, third BCA A. Create category. In this category I create a course. For example, course name software engineering. We have more options here. Course starting date, course ending date, etc. etc. I will explain all in next class. Save and return. After creating the course, clicking the site home, we have the courses here. Now I created the course software engineering. In this class, just I am explained the Moodle installation only, how to install the Moodle using the Moodle software. Another one is using the Dinomia.com website here. The next class I will explain how to use the Moodle software, how to create the course, how to upload the students' names, details, etc. Thank you.